My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just over 30,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On the first page of our home screen, we can access our charging, Apple and Android CarPlay, radio and navigation. On the second page we have features such as rescue call, MG touchpoint, our vehicle settings, weather, AC, and our 360 degrees camera. Just below the screen we have our mode button, where we can switch between sport mode, normal, and eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.